Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Okay, so basically you can't find it just yet, but it will appear after you enable hotspot once. So in that case you go to settings, then you go to other wireless connections, hotspot and tethering, and here you can find Wi-Fi hotspot. So here you can enable it, here you can change its name, here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, here you can change security protocol, here you can change its password, here you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected, and you can also extend its compatibility, helps other devices with this hotspot. And now you can switch hotspot here at the upper bar. Oh, it was here, so I just didn't notice it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.